Hey guys, it's Blake. I've been doing some. I've been just learning about C++ in my time off. If you guys have been wondering where I've been lately. Um, Today I'm gonna get you some updated framework, and I'm gonna update it a little bit more, and then the sky's the limit. I'm probably gonna teach you about drawing circles and lines today, and most likely getting mouse input. So the first thing is you guys have been using the old framework. So open up your browser and go to planetchili.net. You're going to see this main page. Scroll down until you see Let There Be Sound. Click Get the Updated Framework. And just click that one. Once it gets downloaded, save it to a folder or something and open it up. And you're going to see more files like mouse.h, sound.h, mouse.cpp, sound.cpp, stuff like that. We're just going to work on the mouse for now. Don't worry about that yet. Close it. This is the updated framework. You guys can do what I'm about to do right now. It is going to involve pointers. So if you guys really want, you can do this, but I'm not going to recommend it. Let me just go ahead and think of what I have to do here. Void swap values int x, comma int x1. But since they're pointers, they have to have an asterisk. Get my function going. Let's see. What do I need to fix here? Control X. Why is it giving me that error? I have a feeling I screwed something up or did something where I shouldn't have. Y2 is undefined. Control Z. Yes, I did screw something up, guys. You know, I'll worry about doing this later. I was gonna make it look a little bit nicer with some pointers and stuff, but it wouldn't have made sense to you. But it would have made it run a little bit better. But anyways, I'm gonna get on with the point of today. Today, I've got my mouse on the screen, and when I click, it draws a line to my mouse. Except for right there, which is weird. Huh, that is actually very weird. I have a feeling I screwed something up. But it doesn't matter. This is about getting mouse input.
Rick, what are you thinking on this? Is it something you're going to want to buy? Or? I just wondered what it was worth. The Howder pistols go for pretty good money. They're so rare, and you just don't hardly ever see them. You could be talking $10,000–$15,000.
Yeah, I'm just going to completely undo all that.
But, the condition is not very good. The metal is pitted evenly all over the whole gun.
Alright, and that should have fixed it. So maybe that was why? Alright, I did screw something up. Anyway, here's what it looks like. The updated framework automatically has these draw disk, which I'll just go ahead and show you guys what that does. Draw disk. Let's do 400, 300. The radius is going to be 10. It's just hard coded to white. And it's just going to draw a yellow or a white ball in the middle of the screen. completely filled in, so it's a little bit different than your circle drawing function. Pretty cool, huh? It's a completely filled in circle with a line coming out of it. But I didn't mean to do that. I meant to put that outside of that. So that way it'll always be there. Voila. So there's your draw disk function. The draw line, I believe I told you about. The draw line. Oh, I already have a draw line function. So don't worry about if the mouse is in window or blah blah blah. But it draws a line from 400, 300, which is the center point, to this thing. It says mouse.getMouse, X, and then the parentheses. Well, that means draw the point from 400, 300 to wherever the mouse is, but more specifically, its X value. And then we have the same thing, more specifically, its Y value. So it just draws it to wherever your mouse is. And we just have it hard-coded to white. Very easy to understand. Now, I have this parameter set here which says if mouse is in window, which means if I were to like click and go outside of the window, if I'm clicking outside of the window, first of all it goes away, but we just have to put that, because that way if like it was running in the background you wouldn't see it, but it would be downsized. And if I didn't have if mouse is in window and I'm clicking in here and doing stuff, it would be changing stuff in here. I'm doing okay on time. And mouse.left is pressed. So if we're left clicking. So what it means, if the mouse is in the window and I press the left click, it draws a line. It's actually very simple to use and get friendly with. You could also do the same thing for the right. I'm going to see all the parameters that mouse takes. Alright, so get mouse X, get mouse Y is in window, left, right. Yeah, that's all you can do. You could also initialize the right click, but we're not going to do that. Just because we don't have to. So I'm hoping that some of this makes sense to you guys. If you guys want to, you can check out this code for the disk, how the disk is drawn, how the line is drawn, and how the circle is drawn. Alright, that was the other thing I was going to show you. Yeah, I have enough time to show you the circle. Alright. So let's say we want to draw a circle. gfx.drawCircle. Alright. So it's the exact same as the disk, except it won't be filled in. And if you're wondering why I'm not using variables, because I don't have any initialized, I'm trying to do this as quickly as possible, but still make it understandable. So if I click, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, if you make it big, it doesn't work really well. For some reason, the mouse input gets screwed up very badly. And there you go. You guys can go ahead and use those in your game. And if I have enough time, no, I will not have enough time to show you that. I definitely will not have enough time to show you my game. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this one, and immediately after this, I'm going to show you guys this game I made, which uses some of these functions and arrays and stuff, which is stuff we're all going to be learning about soon. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Comment, rate, subscribe.